The Ohio State Highway Patrol spotted a stolen car traveling in the opposite direction. The troopers turned around to catch up to the vehicle, at which point it began to accelerate. The Kia boys were unaware that a helicopter was tracking them from above.
It looks like it's the same thing. South side as well, and then go southbound 110.
Alright, lights. Sirens. Yep. I think I'm behind it. Be 110, Sandusky. Stop sign, turn.
Right, southbound.
You'll now begin to see video footage from the aviation unit that was above, tracking them.
It's slowing down. Rolled that stop sign at Benham, so he's still southbound 110th. I can't tell the plate, you'll have to confirm, but it looks like it's the same make and model. Ran that stop sign as well at Etna, still southbound 110th.
I think I'm behind it. 110 at Sandusky. Well, stop sign turned right on Sandusky.
Yep, so you got lights on it.
Right on Sandusky. It's taking off.
You got lights on it. Looks like he's running from you now. So if you're westbound Sandusky, you go ahead and shut it down. Looks like he's running from you now. So it'll be westbound Sandusky. You can go ahead and shut it down. Alright, it's going to be westbound Sandusky, out passing traffic, passing 104 at the high rate of speed now. I just ran into a house, just crashed into a house right there, 103rd and Sandusky, 103rd and Sandusky, nobody's gotten out yet. Watch yourselves, a lot of movement in that vehicle, watch yourselves. Alright, they just did this switcheroo. I can't tell you who's driving. There's, we got a couple of gunpoint if I can get units in that area. It'll be 10215 Sandusky. Start the EMS probably. And I would assume fire will need to check the house as well.
John Henry North, 8403. John Henry North, 8403. We got two calls down, one call. Yeah, okay. Trinity 7 on Sandusky. Okay. 188, Cleveland on 3 here. Okay.
Cleveland, you probably go ahead and start a tow as well. Signal 7 whenever you get time.
In there! Okay. Hey, sliding out your way.
Put your hands straight up!
Straight out. We got three pro, and I don't see anybody else moving.
Alright, how many's in the car?
Just three?
Okay.
Heads down.
Alright, you guys keep lethal on these three. Cody and I'll clear the car. Gotcha. Good?
We're good. Car's clear. Car's clear.
Okay. 188, Cleveland on 3 here.
Pick one.
Yep. You two, hands behind your back.
Hands.
Straight back. Straight back.
Hands.
Cleveland, you probably go ahead and start a tow as well. Signal 7 whenever you get time.
We got three in custody.
Three in custody.
Three in custody. All right, roll.